In this video, I'll show you how to redeem Udemy credits. Udemy credits are a form of account balance that may be added to your Udemy account through refunds, promotions, gifts, or special offers. You can usually use these credits toward eligible course purchases on Udemy. First, open Udemy in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you are using the same Udemy account where the credits were added. If you use a different account, the credits may not appear at checkout. Next, browse Udemy and choose the course you want to buy. Open the course page and review the course details, including the title, instructor, rating, curriculum, and price. Once you are ready, click Buy Now or add the course to your cart. Now go to the checkout page. If you have Udemy credits available, a Udemy will usually apply them automatically to eligible purchases. You should see the credit amount deducted from the total price before you complete the payment. If the credits cover the full course price, your final amount may become zero. In that case, confirm the order and enroll in the course without paying extra. If the credits only cover part of the price, you will need to pay the remaining balance using an accepted payment method, such as a card, PayPal, or another available option in your region. Before confirming the purchase, check the order summary carefully. Make sure the credits were applied, the final price is correct, and you are buying the right course. If your credits do not appear, check whether they have expired, whether they are valid for that type of purchase, and whether you are signed in to the correct account. After the purchase is complete, go to My Learning to access your course and start watching the lessons. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.